Alright, in the previous step we learned about how we can use coroutine and enumerators in C# Unity. In this step, I want to discuss about a topic in the transform of the object. Look at this, rotation. In Unity Engine, we have different units for rotation. These three numbers, x, y, z, it is Euler angular of the rotation. This is the unit of the inspector. But in fact, the Unity engine uses Quaternion or Quaternion. It is different than an Euler angular of inspector. The quaternion has four parameters: x, y, z, and w. It is 4D actually, and in the inspector it will convert to this unit. But in the Unity C# code, we commonly use a quaternion for rotating an object or set the rotation of an object. For example, let's add a public transform target object. Okay, and here we will input the update. We will say vector3 dot relative position. Okay, it is equal the transform dot position minus target object dot position. What do you want to do? For example, we have an object of cube here, and this object wants to look at this sphere all the time. It will something like this. For example, if the sphere moves, this cube looks at this sphere all the time. Okay, we will set the differences between the position of the cube and also the position of sphere. After that, we will say transform dot rotation equal quaternion dot look rotation this vector 3. Okay, let's come back to the Unity. Alright, and now add the part 35 to this parameter, and it is the target object, right? Let's put, no, we can even start the scene whenever we are in the scene. Look at this, it is always looked at this sphere. It is perfect. It can be an object or a gun or a camera. For example, you are in this cube is the muzzle of the gun. So we will look at the target and we will shoot it. We'll throw the bullets into that face. Look at this. It is excellent. Another use case of this quaternion is reset. For example, we want to reset the rotation of this object. By default, the object is, for example, 45, 99, 23. Okay, we want to reset it to 0, 0, 0. Say if input dot get key down key code dot r for reset. We'll say transform dot rotation again equal quaternion dot identity. This identity is a kind of 0, 0, 0 of vector 3. Okay. Okay, it is the same with that. Now, look at this. However, it won't work whenever we are using this. So I can comment it because, first it's get the rotation of the look rotation function. So we need to disable that part. Okay, let me put the camera here to be able to see this guy. And now press R. Look at this. The cube has been reset. The cube's rotation has been reset. Perfect. We can use this technique for providing a camera or looked at object, or even for finding an object and go through it, something like this. All right, let's go to the next step.